In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bracket in Google Docs. Whether you're working on math notes, coding examples, or just want a specific style of bracket that isn't on your keyboard, this quick method will get you exactly what you need with just a few clicks. First, open your file in Google Docs and place your cursor where you want the bracket to appear. Positioning the cursor first saves time because whatever you insert will drop right at that spot. Next, look to the top menu bar and click Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps all the tools for adding things that aren't plain text, like images, equations, and symbols. From the Insert menu, choose Special Characters. A dialog box will pop up. This window lets you browse and search through a large library of symbols, including every bracket style you're likely to need. Inside that dialog, click the search bar and type the word bracket, then press Enter. Google Docs will filter the results and show a curated list of bracket symbols. This is much faster than scrolling through categories, and it helps you find styles you might not realize exist. Now browse the options and pick the style that fits your document. You'll see familiar curly brackets, also called braces like ha chen huang, square brackets like ai tian nen so, and other bracket styles commonly used in technical writing. Hovering over a symbol gives you a larger preview so you can confirm you've got the right one. When you found the one you want, click it once. The bracket will be inserted directly into your document at the cursor. If it doesn't land where you expect, simply move the cursor to the correct spot and click the symbol again to insert another copy. You can also use your standard keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste the bracket wherever you need it. A quick tip here, opening and closing brackets are inserted separately. That means you'll click once for the opening symbol and again for the closing symbol, which is useful when you only need one side or when you're formatting a custom layout. This approach is perfect when your keyboard layout doesn't include a specific bracket or when you want a different look than the default characters. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.